Hello everyone, my name is Dave Gilario Caballero and I'm a student from Jacob Institute of Science and Technology in the Philippines. I was very happy to join Aleutian High School last year. The teachers here are very supportive, taking care of us both academically and in our daily lives. We not only gain practical skills in various subjects, but we also have the opportunity to continue learning Chinese. One of the best aspects of studying here is the internship opportunities, which allow us to work and earn money. During these internships, we not only gain experience and income, but the school also arranges for us to have part-time jobs after classes, ensuring a steady monthly income. This setup has allowed me to become financially independent and send money home to my family every month. My parents are especially grateful to Wang Chongpun, the director of Aleutian High School, who welcomed us in the airport in Taiwan and helped us to adjust life here. His constant care and guidance have allowed me to focus on my studies in Tainan, improve my technical skills, and continue learning Chinese with confidence. To my friends in the Philippines, I recommend choosing a school in Taiwan that cares for you like a family member. And Aleutian High School is an excellent example. Director Wang Chong's support makes this school truly special. And it's much more important to choose a caring and supportive environment than simply picking a school. Aleutian High School should be your top choice, whether you're interested in bakery department, information technology division, or data processing division. Trust me, and you'll be thanking me next year. Take care and goodbye.